Good morning everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and today it's our 19th class related to principles and practices of banking MCQ. Okay, so before starting the session, let me know, am I audible to all of you and the PPT is also visible? Are we good to go? Good morning, Gitanjali. Good morning, Prajakta. First, let me know, am I audible to all of you? Yes, everything is okay. So let's start. First of all, those candidates who are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever the new session is coming on Officer Adda 24/7. And if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application yet, do download the application. It will help you to practice more questions. Okay. Now next, let's start with the first information that is related to the English medium batch, which is started from 16th of April. So those candidates who are looking forward or who are not able to understand the Hindi language or bilingual batches, for those candidates there is an English medium batch which is started on 16th of April and their classes are going on in this particular batch, in which we are going to discuss the concepts in English medium and also the content will be in the English. So to enroll in this particular batch, you can go to the Adda 24/7 application and you can visit this particular batch under the JAIIB CAIIB section. And what else you will get here? First of all, you will get 3 MACMILLAN books, and next is 82 ebooks will be available for you. 84 mock tests will be available for you, which is very important because while we are understanding the concepts related to the syllabus, the more important thing is how to implement those concepts in the questions. So that is important, that whenever you are practicing your questions or whenever you are studying your concept, do practice or do try to implement those concepts on the exam or on the questions. Now if you miss any day the live session, you will find the recorded session of that particular class. So if you miss the live session, there is no issue, you can watch the recorded session. Okay, now to enroll in this particular batch, you can use a code that is Y496 for 78% discount from Adda 24/7 application. Now let's move forward to the first question that is asking about what is repo. So the question is asking that what is repo out of these following options. First option is saying it is a method of borrowing against certain securities for a short period. Second statement is saying the borrower undertake a commitment to purchase back the same securities after a specified period at a predetermined price. Third option is saying it is helpful in contracting liquidity in the system. So which of the following statement is true regarding the repo rate? A, B, C or D? So if we are talking about repo rate, what is repo rate? Repo rate is the rate at which RBI provides loan to commercial bank for short period of time. Gitanjali is saying D, Vishnu is saying D. Okay, what about rest? Prajakta is also saying D. Okay, let's see. First of all, if we are talking about repo rate, what is repo rate? The rate at which RBI provides loan to commercial bank for short period of time, that is for less than 3 months. Okay, if RBI increases the repo rate, it will reduce the liquidity in the market. But what if RBI reduce the repo rate? Then what will happen? It will increase the liquidity in the market. Yes or no? If RBI reduces the rate of interest charged on the repo rate on commercial banks after providing a certain period of time of loan to the commercial bank, So RBI can change this policy rates bi-monthly in the review of monetary policy. So if RBI increases the repo rate, it will reduce the liquidity from the market. But if RBI reduces the repo rate, it will increase the liquidity in the market. Yes or no? So it is only helpful for contracting the liquidity in the system, or it is also helpful to increasing or to injecting the liquidity in the system. It can do the both, na? It can inject the liquidity or it can absorb the liquidity. So the right answer will be your only 1 and 2. The right answer only 1 and 2. That it is a method of borrowing against a certain security for a short period. Short period will be less than 3 months. Second is the borrower undertake a commitment to purchase back the same security after a specified period of predetermined price. Okay, so the right option will be your A option. C option or third option is not correct because it not only contradicts the liquidity, contracting the liquidity from the system, it also inject liquidity in the system when RBI reduces the repo rate. Okay, so right answer will be your A. Now let's move to the second question, in which it is asking that which of the following product in retail banking do not fall under the retail deposit products. What is retail banking? Simply the banking which is providing the services of the financial product and services to the individual persons. Okay, so what is retail banking? Retail banking is when you are providing banking services and product to the individuals. That is your retail banking. So first option is saying no frills account, second is saying deposit account of senior citizen, third is saying depository services, and fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following product in retail banking do not fall under the retail deposit product? Now focus on the keyword. It is asking about the retail deposit product. What will be the right answer for the D option? Second question. A, B, C or D? Answer quickly. What will be the right answer? It's a very simple question. We are asking about the retail deposit product. So which of the following is not a deposit product? Just you have to answer that. If we are talking about no frills account, no frills accounts were introduced by Reserve Bank of India in 2005 for financial inclusion. What was the purpose behind introducing the no frills account? To promote the financial inclusion in the banking sector. So no frills accounts were introduced by Reserve Bank of India in 2005 for aiming the financial inclusion in the country, and in this account the account of an individual will be open on minimum deposit or zero deposit at an affordable cost, whatever cost a consumer can bear. It can be zero balance account, it can be minimum deposit account, it can be you can open an account with 10 rupees, you can open an account of 15 rupees. It depends on you. Whatever affordable amount is for you, you can open an account under the no frills account. Okay, so no frills account is a deposit product which was launched by Reserve Bank of India, which is zero balance account or minimum deposit account. Okay, and deposit account of senior citizens, again you are depositing a certain amount of money. So what will be the right answer? That is depository services. Depository services, what work, how depository services works? They simply convert the physical security in the electronic form. This is how depositories works. So right answer will be your C option. Very good. Next, under RTGS, question is asking under RTGS, we have given us certain options. First, this is asking bank will route payments through online message to RBI's clearing cell. Second is saying each transaction will be cleared and settled independently on a minute by minute basis. The payee would have funds in his account within a maximum time frame of 2 hours of settlement. Which of the following statement is true regarding the RTGS? Now what does RTGS stands for? It is real time gross settlement. RTGS stands for real time gross settlement, which is a method of doing the fund transfer online. What will be the right answer? A, B, C or D? Vishnu is saying third is A, that is 1 and 2 only. Okay. What about rest? What will be the answer of the third question? We are talking about RTGS. RTGS stands for real-time gross settlement, in which 24 into 7 will be fund transfer by the person to the another person. Next thing is RTGS minimum limit is 2 lakh and there is no upper limit. You can fund transfer any amount of money whatever you want under the RTGS above 2 lakh. Okay. Now the right answer will be Prajakta is also saying A. Gitanjali is saying A. It is not saying that the RTGS do the settlement in 2 hours. It is saying, the third option is saying the payee would have funds in his account within a maximum time frame of 2 hours. It is saying how much amount it will take maximum to settle your amount. It takes maximum 2 hours. That is it saying. It's not saying that it is a hourly basis or it is a half hourly basis transaction. So NEFT has batches of half hour now. Okay. And okay, so everyone is going with the A option. Okay, very good. So the first and second will be true. That is, bank will route payment through online messages to RBI clearing cell, and next is each transaction will be cleared and settled independently on a minute by minute basis. Now one important thing is you have to remember what is the limit of RTGS. That is minimum 2 lakh and there is no above limit, there is no upper limit in the online transaction. Now NEFT and RTGS also become your 24 into 7 services. Earlier it was not, but now it is also 24 into 7 service. Okay. The next question is, which of the following was set up as an exclusive data communication network for banks in terms of recommendations of Committee on Communication Network of Banks? Is it BankNet? Is it SWIFT? Is it MICR or all of the above? What will be the right answer? Question number 4th. Which of the following was set up as a exclusive data communication network? Do focus on the keywords. Exclusive data communication network for banks in terms of recommendations of Committee on Communication Network of Banks. Gitanjali is saying A, that is BankNet. Okay. What about rest? See, if we are talking about SWIFT, what is SWIFT stand for? Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. SWIFT provides a reliable platform or secure platform to the financial institutions to transfer their financial messages or financial information with each other by using a secure platform of SWIFT. Okay. So SWIFT can be the right answer because it is talking about the data communication network, which is in terms of recommendation of committees communication network. So what will be the right answer? Your right answer will be A option, that is BankNet. SWIFT can't be the right answer because SWIFT is a Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. What SWIFT is doing? In international level, SWIFT helps the financial institution to transfer their financial messages with each other. Now, what is MICR? Magnetic and Character Recognition. It is a simple code which helps which used in the check clearance. Okay, online check clearance or CTS. Right answer will be your BankNet. Which of the following functions are carried by IRDA? Now, what is IRDA? Stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So, which of the following functions are carried by IRDA in India? First is saying regulator of insurance company. Second saying regulator of insurance product. Third is saying supervision of general insurance market. So, which of the following is the work of IRDA in India? Only 1 and 2, only 1 and 3, only 2 and 3, or 4, all of the above. What will be the answer of the fifth question? A, B, C or D? What is the right answer? Everyone is going with D option. Very good. The right answer will be your D, all of the above. Okay, right answer will be D, all of the above. So ADA stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Okay, it stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Clear? It is a regulatory body for the insurance sector in our India. Next, what is the relationship between the bank and RBI when the bank is handling the currency chest at its branch? So what relationship will there between bank and RBI when a bank is handling the currency chest at its branch? Is it a beneficiary and trustee relationship? Is it an agent and principal relationship? Is it a belly and beller relationship? Is it a trustee and beneficiary relationship? Now what relationship will be there between the RBI and bank? A, B, C or D? Sixth is B, agent and principal. Okay. Okay, everyone is going with B option. Simple is saying A. No, it will not be A. It is the relation of agent and principal. Right option will be B. The relationship between RBI, bank and RBI will be agent and principal. Okay, whenever bank is handling the currency chest at its branch. Now, what is currency set? Simply a place where the currencies are stored. Okay, the access currency or the currencies which are right now not in the use, or the cash or the liquidity which we have. So it will be maintained in the currency chest, or simply we can say the warehouse where we maintain the currencies. That is currency chest. So the relation between bank and RBI will be agent and principal. Now find out the odd man out from the following. So which of the following is odd one out, or which of the following is not related to others? First is saying NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Second is saying Industrial Financial Corporation of India. Third is saying IDBI, that is Industrial Investment Bank of India. Fourth is saying IDBI, and third is saying Industrial Investment Bank of India. Which of the following is odd one out? A, B, C or D? Now do check what is the relationship between these. If we are talking about NABARD or IFCI or IIBI or IDBI, what is the relation? What is the actual working of all these? NABARD. Vishnu is saying NABARD, Gitanjali is saying NABARD, Manoj is saying NABARD. Everyone is going with NABARD. Why NABARD will be the odd one out? Let me know. Why NABARD will be the odd one out? Seventh is D. Maximum are going with A. See, if we are talking about NABARD, NABARD is a development bank or non-commercial bank, we can say. Okay, what is NABARD? NABARD is a development bank, or we can say NABARD is a non-commercial bank which works for the agriculture and rural development. NABARD is a regulatory body. Okay, it is related to agriculture. That's why all our industry, NABARD is agriculture. It is Government of India subsidiary for agriculture purpose. Now let's see if we are talking about NABARD. NABARD is a non-commercial bank which is providing a loan or which is supervising the agriculture and rural economy. If we are talking about Industrial Finance Corporation of India, it works the same for the industrial sectors. Okay, it provides loan for the industry sector. When we are talking about Industrial Investment Bank of India, it is doing the same work. It is providing funding for the industrial investment. But when it comes to IIBF, don't you think IIBF is a different type of bank? IIBF takes deposit from the public. Not NABARD do the same thing. Not IFCI do the same thing. Not IIBI do the same thing. IIBF now become a commercial bank. IIBF was established in the year 1964, and that year it was a development financial institution, but after in 2005 RBI has converted this development financial institution in commercial bank. Then when it converted into commercial bank, it was a public sector bank, but in 2019 LIC has purchased the major shareholding of IIBF, so it become a private sector bank under the commercial bank. So what will be the right answer? IIBF will be the right answer because it's a commercial bank. All of the above are not commercial bank, though they do not deal with the public directly, but IIBF is a commercial bank which deals with the public directly. So right answer will be your D, that is IIBF. Okay, now do remember it was first development financial institution, then it converted to commercial bank under public, then it converted to the public sector bank under commercial bank, and then in 2019 it converted into private sector bank under commercial bank. Right answer will be your D, that is IIBF bank. Okay, now the minimum period of opening FCNR deposit account is 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years. Now let me know for how much time minimum you can open FCNR account. If we are talking about FCNR, FCNR stands for foreign currency non-resident account. FCNR is a deposit account in which you can maintain a FD, fixed deposit, in foreign currency. All NRIs, non-resident Indians, can open the FCNR account in the bank in which they are having a FD in foreign currency, and all the foreign currency which are hard currency can be used in the FCNR account. Okay, now what is the minimum period is? Manoj is saying C, Srinivas saying C, Ranjulata saying C, Gitanjali saying C, Vishnu saying C. Everyone is going with the C option. Very good. The right answer is 1 year. And what is the maximum duration? What is the maximum duration? Let me know. On which for which you can open a FCNR account. So FCNR stands for foreign currency non-resident account. This foreign currency non-resident account maintained by NRIs in foreign currency in fixed deposit. Okay. So the maximum duration will be your 5 years. Very good. It can be asked in the months also. So it is from 12 to 60 months, the duration of FCNR account. Initially it was from 1 year to 3 years, but RBI extended the duration of maximum for FCNR account. Now it is from 1 year to 5 years. Okay, 12 to 60 months, or we can say 1 to 5 years. Now the role of banking ombudsman is, which of the following is the role of banking ombudsman? First is saying resolution of complaints against banks regarding deficiency in services. Second, it is an external agency, includes mediation, persuasions and adjudication. Third is saying it is an external agency having independent identity. And fourth is saying all of the above. The role of banking ombudsman is A, B, C or D. Okay, everyone is going with the D option. That is true. So banking ombudsman is an ombudsman which helps the customers if they are not getting the right services from the bank. Let's say, for example, I am performing a certain banking transaction and I am facing a issue, or I am facing a certain problem, or something wrong will happen with me. Now what I should do in that condition? I have to go to my home branch. I have to complain about that particular transaction through the home branch, and I have to give the duration of 1 month to my home branch, that if they are resolving my issue or not. And within a 1 month, if branch is not resolving my issue, then I can go to the banking ombudsman. Now all kinds of complaint can be done under the banking ombudsman. So banking ombudsman services started in the year 1995. After that, RBI has introduced the ombudsman for NBFCs and ombudsman for digital payment settlements also. But now all the three ombudsman schemes are merged. Now there is only a single ombudsman scheme for banks, for NBFCs, and for digital payment trust systems. Okay. Now next, if I am not satisfied, let's say if I am talking about banking ombudsman, the decision of banking ombudsman is known as award. Whatever decision, whatever action the banking ombudsman is taking, that is known as award. If I am not satisfied with this award, then what can I do? If I am not satisfied with this award, then what can I do? Is there any higher authority to which I can go? Under banking ombudsman. Banking ombudsman has given a certain solution, but I am not happy with that solution and I am not agree with that solution. Then what can I do? Let me know. Next, a settlement system in which the processing and final payment of funds transfer instructions takes place continuously is called dash. Is it debit clearing system? Second, is it credit clearing system? Is it national clearing system, or is it RTGS? What will be the answer of the 10th question? A settlement system in which the processing and final payment of funds transfer instructions take place continuously is called. Very good. Then the person can go to the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India. If you are not satisfied with the solution of or the award of banking ombudsman, you can go to the Deputy Governor of RBI. How many Deputy Governors are there in RBI? And after Deputy Governor's decision, you are not satisfied, then you can go to the DRT. Okay, do remember the hierarchy. First, you have to go to the branch. Okay, if you have any complaint related to banking transaction, first you have to go to your home branch, and if the home branch is not providing you solution within a 1 month, then you can go to the banking ombudsman. And if you are not satisfied with the award of the banking ombudsman, then you can go to the Deputy Governor. And if you are not satisfied with the Deputy Governor's solution, then you can go to the DRT, that is Debt Recovery Tribunal. Okay, this is the hierarchy which you can use while complaining about any services of a bank. Now 10th is DCB. We are getting 3 options. And this CB, we are getting 3 options. It is very simple. No, it will not be. Not C, not B. It is RTGS, real-time gross settlement. What it is saying, a settlement system in which processing and final payment of funds transfer instruction take place continuously. It is called RTGS. Right answer will be real-time gross settlement, RTGS. Yes, that's a correct hierarchy, Prajakta. Very good. Now let me know how much you have done correct out of 10 questions. How much you have done correct out of 10 questions. Now, one important thing is that if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever the new session is coming. Okay, and Next thing, if you want to enroll in a particular batch for your JAIIB June exam preparation, then you can visit the Adda 24/7 application. You will find bilingual batches there, you will find English medium batches there. One batch will the Macmillan book and other batch will be without the Macmillan book. Okay, so you can visit the Adda 24/7, you can check the study plan there, that how we are going to cover your syllabus, and you can also check that what books you are getting in there. Okay, so enroll in the particular batch, you can use a code that is Y496. You will get 78% discount from Adda 24/7 application. And if you like this session, do like this session. And if you are having any doubt related to the session or any questions comes in your mind, then you can ask in the comment section. Okay, I will respond there. So Gitanjali got 8, Prajakta got 8, Vishnu got 8. Very good, that's a good score. So let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session and stay safe.